Hey friends, it's Courtney. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick complexion tutorial because I've already got my eye makeup on. I'm going to start with Milk Makeup's Hydro Grip Primer. This is my favorite primer for my dry, sensitive skin. This stuff helps my foundation wear all day. It also prevents any dry patches because of dry skin. Makes everything apply nice and smooth. Just remember when you're putting this on, give it 60 seconds to dry so you have a nice, beautiful, smooth canvas to work with. I'm going to add a little bit of Danessa Myricks Prism FX Hydrating Lotion on top of the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer because I want to add a little bit of glow to my skin and I want that glow to kind of come through the foundation. So I'm primarily focusing it on my cheekbones, my forehead, a little bit down my nose. And I'm just using my Urban Decay Optical Illusion blurring brush to make sure everything's nice and smooth. And then I'm going to take my favorite foundation, which is the Milk Makeup Flex Foundation Stick in Porcelain. And I'm running my brush across the top of it, which is how I like to apply stick foundations. And then I start buffing that into my face. Now my skin has a lot of surface redness because of my rosacea. I was going to say natural. It's not really natural. It's because of my skin condition. So I have people tell me that they think that I should be wearing pink toned foundation, but when I put pink toned foundation on in general, it looks like I'm sunburnt. So I tend to look better in cool yellows to neutral colors for foundations. So I don't particularly like very heavy coverage foundation because I like my natural skin to come through despite the fact that it is dry because I think I have nice skin. And I'm going to highlight today with Stila's Kitten, and this is from their, I think it's the Complete Harmony or whatever, something like that. Complete Harmony, it's a new product they launched. Kitten is supposed to be a universal highlighter, but that looks so dark in my skin, doesn't it? Anyway, I'm going to blend it out and hope for the best. And then I'm going to use Sheer Lilium, which is a blush color that I bought. Now when you're using your fingers with cream blush, if you put it down too low, like I sometimes do, I just go back with my foundation brush. I just kind of blend in like an upside down rainbow motion, like all kind of under my cheekbones to try to make it look better. And I'm going to go ahead and set my face all over with the Fenty Beauty Powder in Lavender because I feel like that makes my skin look like porcelain. Just so, so pretty. I forgot that I wanted to put on or try out this new fixing spray, and I should have done it before I put on mascara, so I'm going to try to avoid my eyes, but I wanted to add a little bit of glow back to my face from after I set it with the powder. And I'm going to try this color from NYX, and it's one of their new Filler Instinct colors, and it's called Bitten Pout. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed my quick little complexion tutorial. Please be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're wondering what to watch next, check over here because I'll have some videos for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.